Ever wondered what your pet is really trying to tell you? What if we could actually talk to animals while not guessing, but truly understanding their thoughts? Welcome to a world-first revelation that's about to blow your mind. Scientists have cracked the code to human-animal communication using the power of AI, and the possibilities are endless. From decoding whale songs to finally understanding your dog's bark, we're on the brink of a revolution that could change life on Earth forever. Ready to witness the future? Buckle up. This breakthrough will change the way you see the animal kingdom forever. Until now, our understanding of animal communication was limited to assumptions. We categorized sounds like whale songs, dog barks, bird chirps, but these labels reduced complex patterns to mere noises. However, AI-based breakthrough in machine learning and neural networks have cracked the code by analyzing sound frequencies, behavioral cues, and situational context. Advanced AI algorithms can now detect patterns invisible to the human ear and mind, allowing machines to assign meaning to specific sounds across species. This isn't just about recognizing simple signals like hungry or danger. AI can break down vocalizations, tail movements, and even pheromones to provide real-time translation of animal intent. For the first time, humans and animals are standing at the brink of understanding each other's thoughts on a level we never imagined possible. At the core of this breakthrough is natural language processing, NLP, combined with deep learning networks. AI doesn't just understand human language, it decodes nonverbal cues like a wagging tail, a dolphin's sonar pulse, or the twitch of a cat's whiskers. Scientists train the systems using millions of data points, including bird songs in different environments, ape gestures in social groups, and the high-frequency chirps of bats. As the system learns, its accuracy keeps improving. These models can now predict what animals are expressing with impressive precision, reaching up to 90% accuracy. Dog owners have long claimed that they can tell when their pets are feeling excited, scared, or even guilty. But this has always been based on subjective interpretation. With the help of AI, we're now confirming that dogs do indeed communicate distinct emotions through their barks, growls, and body language. A barking session that might previously have been meaningless could now be decoded by AI to reveal nuanced messages, like alerting their human to an approaching storm or feeling lonely while their owner is away. In fact, AI tools have identified over 40 different bark patterns used by dogs, each with subtle differences indicating special meanings. From a playful invitation to a warning, the machine-processed results have validated what animal lovers have always believed their pets have been speaking all along. We just didn't know how to listen properly. When discussing conversation, let's say being able to converse with the majestic creatures of the deep blue sea and the sky above. For decades, the haunting melody of humpback whales and the chirpy tunes of birds have mesmerized us. But now, thanks to artificial intelligence, we're unlocking their secrets. Marine biologists are thrilled to discover that those soul-stirring whale songs aren't just beautiful noise. They're actual stories about migration paths, love seasons, and social connections. AI is deciphering these underwater narratives, paving the way for groundbreaking possibility, talking back to these gentle giants in their own language. Meanwhile, bird experts are cracking the code of avian chatter, revealing warnings about sneaky snakes and hawks, and even grammar rules hiding within their songs. The impact of AI-driven communication extends far beyond mere curiosity. It's poised to revolutionize the way we protect and conserve wildlife. Conservationists can now monitor stress signals and vocal alarms emitted by animals, providing crucial insights into threats like poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change. For example, elephants known to make infrasonic rumbles can now be listened to and monitored remotely by AI systems. These signals can warn rangers in real time if herds sense danger, allowing them to intervene before poachers strike. AI is being used to detect distress sounds from wildlife like wolves and deer in agricultural areas, allowing farmers to proactively protect crops and livestock while avoiding harmful confrontations. As we edge closer to real conversations with animals, ethical questions are beginning to arise. What happens if we discover that animals have complex emotional lives far beyond what we've previously assumed? Should animals like dolphins, elephants, or apes who may exhibit near-human intelligence be granted greater legal protections or rights? There's also the question of manipulation. If humans gain the ability to understand animal communication, we could misuse this knowledge to manipulate animal behavior for entertainment or exploitation. Scientists are urging that responsible use of AI be prioritized, ensuring that this newfound ability to communicate serves the well-being of animals and not just human convenience. The future of veterinary care is also being transformed by these AI breakthroughs. Imagine being able to ask a horse directly where it feels pain, or having a cat tell you that it's stressed before it starts showing physical symptoms. This could lead to early diagnosis and more personalized treatments, saving countless animal lives. AI-based communication tools are already in development for zoos, wildlife sanctuaries, and veterinary clinics. By using wearable devices that detect vocal and behavioral patterns, vets will soon be able to access continuous feedback from animals, making healthcare more precise and responsive than ever before. Imagine being able to crack the code of our furry friends' secret language. A revolutionary app is on the horizon, and pet lovers worldwide are electrified. No more puzzled looks wondering if your pup's whimper means "I'm hungry" or "let's go for a stroll." This game-changing technology translates your pet's emotions in real time, paving the way for deeper, more heartfelt connections. Let's say smart collars and animal chat apps are as commonplace as fitness trackers, allowing future pet parents to engage in conversations that go beyond basic commands. The unthinkable is now within reach, our beloved pets sharing their stories, needs, and desires, forging unbreakable bonds, and redefining the human-animal relationship forever. This is that we're able to have a heart-to-heart conversation with your furry friend, or the majestic creatures at the zoo. What was once a fairy tale fantasy is now becoming a breakthrough reality, thanks to the revolutionary AI research. As we crack the code of animal language, we're uncovering the astonishing depth of their inner worlds and unique perspectives. This breakthrough has the power to transform our relationship with nature, shifting from control to connection. Soon, zoos and aquariums will become vibrant hubs of interspecies dialogue, where we learn from each other in profound ways. What if we could one day speak fluent animal? Imagine whispering with birds, chatting with dolphins, or having a heart-to-heart with your dog. We're closer than you think. This AI-fueled breakthrough is not just science, it's the beginning of a new reality, revolutionizing veterinary care, conservation, and pet ownership like never before. Don't miss what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button and be the first to dive into a world where humans and animals talk. Your adventure into the future starts now.